Good day everyone. I am Mrs. Deepa Shushan Bhandari, Assistant Professor from Department of Electrical Engineering, PES Modern College of Engineering, Pune, India. Would like to represent my paper on linearization of a coupled tank memo system and its validation using MATLAB. My paper ID is 1009. The contents of my paper are: first, introduction; second, coupled tank system laboratory setup; third, mathematical modeling of MIMO interacting system; fourth is experimentation and MATLAB simulations; fifth is results and discussion; sixth point is conclusion, and then references. Point number one, introduction. Objectives of our project is: the coupled tank setup is an important element used in process control industry with an objective of controlling the liquid level in the coupled tanks. The interacting coupled tank control system has been described in this paper is a multivariable in nature. The dynamic model of such a system, being non-linear, requires a linearization so that the conventional controller such as PID controller can be designed. The linearization is carried out using Taylor series expansion. The extracted linear model along with the PI controller is further used to simulate the system response in MATLAB, and the validation for the same is carried out in the experimentation on the physical setup. So basically, what is the need of linear approximation? Practically, none of the physical system in nature is perfectly linear. Since most powerful mathematical tools are available for linear analysis, it is desirable to make linearizing assumptions whenever a compromise can be obtained between the simplicity of analysis and accuracy of results. In the linear approximation, a nonlinear system can be treated approximately as a linear system, as the region of operation is restricted to a narrow range. This kind of approximation appears to be valid in most of control systems because their purpose is to keep the control variable very close to the desired value. Point number two is coupled tank system laboratory setup. General arrangement of the coupled tank system trainer teaching system provides facility to be operated with different combinations of input and outputs like CISO, MISO, CMO, MIMO, multi-input, multi-output system. The MIMO configuration with the PI controllers has been considered for the experimentation. This trainer is equipped with three tanks which are mounted vertically as shown in figure. These have identical volumes of 6 liters each. Each of the tanks has a metric scale fitted to its front. Out of these three tanks, two tanks LT1 and the LT2 are coupled to each other at the bottom by two ball valves, and each of the tanks consists of one drain valve emptying into a small reservoir placed on the floor. This reservoir stores the liquid for the recycling throughout the system. The two pumps are mounted over this reservoir. Liquid is stored in the tank LT1 and the LT2 is using two centrifugal type pumps. Flow meters are connected in the inflow pipes of the tanks LT1 and the LT2 for measuring the flow rate. The flow sensor attached with the both tanks as shown in here in the figure. The flow sensors are attached with the both tanks which transmit the voltage signals in the range of 0 to 2.5 volt. The tanks connected through a cylindrical pipe which is result as an interaction between them. The connecting pipe are equipped with the manually adjustable valves. Point number 3, mathematical modeling of the couple tank system. Here, in a MIMO configuration, the objective is to control the liquid level L1 of the tank LT1 and the L2 of the tank LT2 by adjusting the input flow rate Q1 and the Q2 flowing into tank LT1 and the LT2 respectively. The step-based representation of the MIMO coupled tank system as demonstrated in figure 2 is formulated using the mass balance equation. The mass balance equation can be represented as input is equal to output plus accumulation. So for a couple tank system, accumulation of liquid in the tank, that is the height of the liquid in each tank, is the function of the liquid inflow rate, outflow rate and the tank interaction. The Here in this figure, Q1 and the Q2 are the supply fluids flow rates in meter cube per second. Q10, Q12, Q20 are the exit flow rate in the LPH meter cube per second. Then 80 is the surface of the tank's base in the meter square. A0 is the cross-sectional area of the outlet pipe in meters square. L1 and the L2 are the system states, that is the fluids level of the tanks LT1 and the LT2 in meter. Then pump P1 and the P2 are the centrifugal pumps motors. Then SP1 and the SP2 are the bubbler method based pressure sensor. LT1 and the LT2 are the liquid tanks and the LIC is the liquid indicator and the controller. Mathematically, nonlinear model can be expressed as below. 18 dL1 by dt is equal to Q1 minus Q10 minus Q12. Mark this equation number 1.1. Then 18 dL2 by dt is equal to Q2 minus Q20 minus plus Q12. Mark this equation as a 1.2. These two equations are based on a mass balance equation. According to the Torricelli's law, the flow rates Q10, Q20, Q12 are defined by these formulas where your SIs are the system variable parameters obtained experimentally. S0 is the discharge coefficient of the valve V12. S1 is the discharge coefficient of the valve V1. S2 is the discharge coefficient of the valve V2. And the G is the gravitational acceleration having the value 9.81 meter per second square. Replacing the values of the Q10, Q20, Q12 from the equations 1.3, 1.4, 1.5 respectively in the equation 1.1, 1.2 respectively, we get the nonlinear system equations as AT into dL1 by dt is equal to Q1 minus S1 A0 square root of 2GL1 minus S0 A0 square root of 2G difference of L1 minus L2. Mark this equation 1.6. Then another equation 80 into dL2 by dt is equal to Q2 minus S2 A0 square root of 2GL2 plus A0 A0 square root of 2G difference of L1 minus L2. Mark this equation as 1.7. Now next part is B, linearization of nonlinear mathematical model. In this, linearization of system equations is required for designing the controller. This equation can be linearized above the set points or the operating point L10 and the L20 using Taylor series expansion. The Jacobian matrix, which is the first order partial derivatives of the Taylor series with respect to L1 and the L2, is formed as below, which becomes the linearized matrix A. The expressions can be further simplified. S1, S2, S0, A0, AT, L10, L20 and G are the constant, assuming we got the beta 1, beta 2, beta 0. After substitution, the complete state space equation in matrix form becomes as shown over here. The test space equations are L1 dot and the L2 dot as shown over here. As it is a MIMO configuration, we will not get a single transfer function linking the output with the input. Solving the above two equations, we get the two equations for the output variable L1 and the L2 in terms of input variable Q1 and the Q2. Hence, this is the generalized system model of a coupled tank system in MIMO configuration. Table 1 shows the list of liquid level coupled tank system parameters. The parameters which we have calculated are as the S0, S1 and the S2. These three values we are found out experimentally, and the system is linearized about the operating point levels. For the tank 1 we are taken 0.1 meter, and for the operating point for the tank 2 we have taken 0.095 meter. The process parameter for the coupled tank system, the continuous time transfer function can be calculated as G11, G12, G21, G22. Point number 4, experimentation and MATLAB simulation. Part A is a control setup experimentation. Figure 3 shows the closed loop second order MIMO interactive control. In this, connect the test setup as per the wiring sequence mentioned in the manual. Select the analog PI controller on the panel for controlling the liquid level of the tank LT2 and digital PID controller for controlling the liquid level of the tank LT1. Keep the feedback switch in the closed position. Table 2 shows the PID controller parameter setting for both analog PI controller and digital PI controller. Next, part B, MATLAB simulation. The coupled tank interacting level process can be simulated using MATLAB software. The linear model as derived above for the L1 and the L2 is used for the MATLAB simulation as shown in figure 4. Point number 5, results and discussion. Figure 5 shows the liquid level response of hardware for the set L1, which is black color here, is set for the 60%, and the L2, red color, is set for the 50% of the full scale. And here we have the MATLAB simulated result for the closed loop response for the coupled tank system, which is same as for the set value L1, black color, is set to the 60% of the full scale, and the L2, liquid level of the tank 2, is set for the red color, 50% of the full scale. Table 3 shows the settling time in seconds for both tanks to settle the liquid level. For tank 1, it takes 185 samples to reach the set point of a 60%. For the internal PI control, it means for hardware it takes 925 seconds to reach 150 mm of the liquid level. Settling time for the tank 2 to reach the 50% set value is 160 samples. For converting into seconds, multiply the number of samples by 5. Hence, it takes for hardware 800 seconds to reach 125 mm of liquid level in the tank LT2. Figure 7 shows the hardware closed loop response of two interacting process variable MV1 and the MV2. For analog PI controller, set the SP1 is equal to 35%. Now change the SP1 from 35% to 45% by varying the pot and observe the process response, which is black color. Wait till the process is settled. Now give the step change of 5% to the set point SP2 from 40% to the 45%, and again observe the response, which is red color as shown in figure. Figure 8 shows the closed loop response for the same set point for the both tank from the MATLAB simulation. Figure 4 shows the settling time in seconds for both tank level when the step change input is applied for both the tanks, and the PID settings are Kp Ki is equal to 1 and the Kd is equal to 0. From the figures and the tables, it can be observed that time taken to settle the liquid level in both tanks is in close agreement with the MATLAB simulation. Also, the nature of the output is approximately same in hardware response and MATLAB level response. Point number 6, conclusion. This paper presents the linearization of multivariable nonlinear process from which the linear model is extracted. The nonlinear system can be linearized using the Taylor series expansion, though the interaction in an MIMO system makes the control and the stability analysis of the system very complicated compared to a SISO system. Linearization makes it simplified. From the response curve, it is observed that the two interactive process variables settle with their respective set points. Through the simulation, output response of the coupled tank interacting level system is validated with the response obtained from the hardware setup. Therefore, the multi-input, multi-output system can be controlled and providing the acceptable results. Then references: the book Process Control Modeling and Design and Simulation. This we are used for the study purpose. These are some papers which we have referred. The user guide, XPO, process control, trainer. This manual we have referred for the experimentation purpose. Thank you everyone for giving me opportunity to present my paper.